Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to mill some siding. So the grey stuff, this is the siding that I have in my house actually. This was purchased from a hardware store a number of years ago. It's been holding up great. This siding is wedged, goes together really nice. One side is smooth, one side is rough. So I don't have a siding jig for my sawmill yet. So I've just been sawing all my siding just a straight cut. This is the same width, same thickness, and it goes together just so nice. So do you need a siding jig for your sawmill? No, you don't. But it would be nice to get one of these days. So this is the siding that I milled myself, just straight. You can look up here, it still fits together really nice. There's no gaps here. Turned out really nice. It still goes together really good. We got a 4-inch face here and about a 1-inch overlap on each piece. This is the stuff on my house. This is the wedge stuff. You can see here, still goes together real nice. We got a 4-inch face and a 1-inch overlap. Enough talking, let's grab a log and mill it. This one will be good. I need to get a tractor. Alright, so we got our cant here now. So now we're just going to start slabbing this 1/2 inches thick. So we got her all done. So here we have what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of siding. And we have a 2x on the bottom. So I only milled 6 pieces of siding because I only need a couple pieces at this moment. So I'm gonna leave this bottom piece as a 2x. I'll probably use that for framing something out in that once. 1/2 inch thick. Nice and straight. This will make excellent siding. Please like and subscribe.